Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your radishes. So we can sow radishes from spring to early autumn, and they really could not be easier to grow. They're one of the perfect things to start with early in the season when you just need that quick crop. So we sow our radishes directly where we want them to grow, and if you're making early sowings, it is a good idea to cover those radishes with a fleece or cloche, or like me, we can sow in a greenhouse. So let's get sowing. So to start with, we just want to make a shallow drill in our compost, and then we're just going to scatter our seeds along that drill, and then just backfill with our compost, and then just give the area a little water. So as you can see, it really couldn't be easier to sow your radish seeds. So the seedlings will start emerging in around a week or so just keep the area watered as they grow, and you could be harvesting delicious crunchy radishes in around 4 to 6 weeks time. For the best flavour and texture, it is best to harvest your radish when they're around about the size of a cherry. And then you can just keep successionally sowing every few weeks for a continuous supply. Obviously, as the temperatures start to warm up outside, you can direct sow your radishes, but for early sowings and later sowings, like I said earlier, it is best just to cover those seedlings with a fleece or cloche, or just sow in your greenhouse. But however you choose to sow, do make sure you have plenty of radishes in your seed collection this year. They're really so fun and so easy to grow, and they add a lovely peppery crunch to some summer salads. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can reach out to me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.